Hi mga kamami! Welcome sa channel ko. So for today's video, pupunta po tayo ng Timaru Swimming Pool with Dahlia and
Kimby.
Kuya Kimby. So, excited na ba? Ang lahat? Si Kuya nakagagals na Si Dahlia, yan muna yung suot niya kasi nawala yung kanyang yung kanyang swimming clothes kasi nga nagkapasik-pasik yun nga. Pangit na tingnan kaya tinapon na lang namin. Bibilhan na lang namin siya ng new swimming clothes, right, Dahlia?
Makeup.
Sige. Mga kamami, punta na tayo ng swimming pool. Excited na mga kiddos.
Hi guys, we're going to swimming to Timaru. We're going to be out there and no one will be hurt. So my sister don't have the swimming clothes yet. So my mom is here helping me to go swimming. Even Dahlia want to go swimming because Dahlia is
Louder your voice.
to play with me. And Mommy, I can't wear swimming clothes. And Dahlia don't have the swimming clothes yet. I have the swimming clothes. This one. That's cool. He's wearing the swimming clothes right now. He's surfing the swimming clothes. So I can play there.
Pasok na kami ng swimming pool.
Yeah, guys.
Si Dahlia, karga ni Papa Boy. Yan. And si Kuya Kimby. Ayan. ready na. Go na. Go na, Kuya. Go na kayo. Magwiwi ka na. Giniginaw na ako. Go, Kuya. Come na. Dito. Pasok na kami sa swimming pool area. Go, Kuya, to the toilet. Wiwi ka muna. Wiwi ka muna. Diyan, Wiwi ka na. Doon sa kabila. Edmond. Go, Francis. Jump. Be careful, ha? Be careful. Francis, ligo ang baby namin. And si Dahlia, waiting for Papa Boy. Enjoy kayo sila. Look at them. Francis! Yan sila, Dahlia, Ali, ayun, si Dahlia swimming, and Papa Boy. Go, Francis! Sige, swimming! Hanggang dito! Ay, hindi marunong. Oh, Dahlia, enjoy sila. Kami ligo, tapos na sila Kuya and Dahlia. Uwi na kami. Uwi na tayo, love? Hindi pa.
Hindi.
Saan tayo punta?
Huwag naman sa dami.
So, pagod pero worth it. Uwi na kami. Taan na kami mag-swimming. Ay, hindi pa pala. Punta muna kami McDo. Kasi ginutom yung mga kids. So, yan si Kuya. Nagsi-seatbelt na.
You put the seatbelt up. Dahlia, Kuya.
Dahlia is there. Waiting for McDo. You're gonna go to Macca's?
I'll go with
Ayan na naman. My goodness, Dahlia. Sinusumpong na naman siya. Dahlia?
What the Danny here?
Uwi na tayo eh.
No! No!
Dahlia, what do you want?
This one.
Oh, Dahlia wants that.
This one.
Okay, you wait for Papa.
I want this one. I want this one burger. Burger. I love my hamburger.
Okay, Dahlia, have a handshake. Saja, boys. Open it. Open. And we have the strawberry Oreo with this fruity drink. Black. And Dahlia, what is that inside? And this one, ang saan eh? Oh, wow. And meron pa nito. Wow, you have a card. Do you?
Yeah, the card.
What card you have? Open it, open it.
Oh, you tago the box. You
Tago the box, this one. Later na, you open that card. What is that?
Okay, Papa.
Oh, ayun, gisi. This one. Francis, eat na. Dahlia has the hand tricks now.
Mommy, I need some water.
Oh, this one, your water. And Dahlia, that's juice of Dahlia.
Dahlia.
Dabi, open mo to. Wow, Dahlia has a card. Look at Dahlia.
I got
You have a card.
Oh yeah. What? Is that a Shaga voice?
What you gonna say to Papa? No, no, mawala yan. What you gonna say to Papa, Dahlia? What you gonna say to Papa? What you gonna say to Papa? Ay, what?
No, mine.
What you gonna say to Papa?
Mine.
Later na.
What you gonna say to Papa? Oh, kiss Papa, kiss. So, kakatapos lang namin kumain sa McDo at mag-swimming mga kamami. So, ngayon, matutulog na kami kasi malamig. Ang feels like kanina is sa sasakyan is nasa 3 degrees Celsius. So, ngayon matutulog kami, naka-heater kami kasi napakaming kahoy doon para sa aming chimney kasi ano pa yun, i-deliver sa amin ng boss namin ng mga kahoy. Andun pa sa kanya. So, good night mga kamami. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye! See you in my next vlog.